Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Drug Manufacturing Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with drug manufacturing in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your drug manufacturing charge. Contact one of our Missouri drug manufacturing defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all drug manufacturing defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our drug manufacturing defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Drug manufacturing lawyer in Missouri. If you are facing a drug manufacturing charge in St. Louis, Missouri, you are looking at potentially facing serious criminal penalties. If your charge is also coupled with a drug trafficking charge, you may also be looking at charges at the federal level as well, which are even more severe and require extra attention. Our criminal defense attorneys can help. What are drug manufacturing charges? Hiring a skilled, reputable saint. Louis Drug Manufacturing Attorney is crucial if you are facing drug manufacturing charges. Combs Waterkotte understands the impact a drug conviction has on someone's life, which is why they work aggressively on behalf of all their drug manufacturing clients to ensure that their freedoms are protected and their future is secured. Protect your rights and freedom with Combs Waterkotte. Contact one of our criminal defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP for a confidential consultation. Common drug manufacturing charges. Drug manufacturing charges typically involve the production, cultivation, or creation of illegal substances. The specific charges can vary depending on the jurisdiction and the type and quantity of drugs involved. Common drug manufacturing charges include manufacturing controlled substances. This is a broad charge that encompasses the production of any illegal drugs or controlled substances. The specific substances covered can vary by jurisdiction. Charges related to the cultivation or growing of marijuana plants. While some jurisdictions have legalized or decriminalized marijuana, others still consider it illegal. Methamphetamine production. Manufacturing. Methamphetamine involves the chemical synthesis of this highly addictive and controlled substance. Charges may range from simple possession to more severe charges related to the production process. Ecstasy, MDMA. Production. Manufacturing ecstasy involves the synthesis of the illegal drug MDMA. Charges may include possession of precursor chemicals, equipment, and the finished product. Cocaine or crack cocaine. Production. The illegal production or manufacturing of cocaine or crack cocaine is a serious offense. This can involve chemical processes to extract or create these substances. Heroin production. Manufacturing heroin involves processing opium or morphine into the illegal drug. Charges may include possession of precursor substances and equipment. LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. Production. Manufacturing LSD involves the synthesis of this hallucinogenic drug. Charges may include possession of precursor chemicals, equipment, and the finished product. Designer drug production. Some jurisdictions have laws that specifically address the production of designer drugs or synthetic substances that mimic the effects of controlled substances. Marijuana concentrate production. In places where marijuana is legal, Manufacturing concentrated forms such as hash oil or dabs may be subject to regulations, and illegal production can lead to charges. Synthetic drug production, manufacturing synthetic drugs, often designed to mimic the effects of controlled substances, can lead to charges related to the production and distribution of these substances. Prescription drug manufacturing. Illegally manufacturing prescription drugs, especially opioids or other controlled substances, can result in serious charges. It's important to note that drug manufacturing charges are often accompanied by other related charges, such as possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of precursor chemicals, and intent to distribute. Penalties for drug manufacturing offenses can be severe, including lengthy prison sentences and significant fines. Reach out to Combs Waterkotte today at 314-900-HELP or contact our St. Louis, Missouri criminal defense attorneys directly. What do I do if I'm arrested for drug manufacturing? We advise all potential clients to immediately request to speak with their attorney at the time of arrest. Police and prosecutors are not your friends, and despite their assurances, they will not do you any favors. They are usually looking to get a confession as quickly as possible, as that ensures they do not have to build a case against you. Our firm implores our clients to stay silent and not say anything without a lawyer present, as the Miranda rights state. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. Your Combs Waterkotte drug manufacturing defense attorney will hear out your side of the story, communicate back to you as soon as possible, help you develop an effective legal defense strategy, investigate any claims and identify alibis, eyewitnesses, and other evidence to contradict any accusations. Ensure that you are provided the best legal assistance within jurisdiction. Negotiate if necessary, and handle any lasting legal issues. Provide legal talent that will help you with the case. Manufacturing drug penalties. Regardless if you were arrested for manufacturing methamphetamine, cocaine, heroin, or growing marijuana, the punishments for manufacturing a controlled substance in Missouri are notoriously harsh. Laws in Missouri call for a minimum sentence of anywhere between 10 to 30 years in prison, and that is just for state-level charges. If it is determined that your drug manufacturing case involved the crossing of state lines, which, considering that the St. Louis metro area includes both Missouri and Illinois, is not unlikely, federal charges can also be added to your case. Choose a reputable criminal defense lawyer. Drug manufacturing charges are serious, and the penalties they carry can greatly impact your life and freedom. Regardless of the drug you have been accused of making, it is critical to contact a highly qualified St. Louis criminal defense lawyer like Combs Waterkotte. Our firm will handle your case aggressively and leave no stone unturned in their efforts to get the optimal outcome for your case. Contact the experienced drug crimes lawyers at Combs Waterkotte without delay. We are ready to take your call at 314-900-HELP at any time to discuss your case.